Can I buy here some cheese?
Yes.
This is a cheese factory.
Yes.
Very nice.
Now look inside.
Wow, this is lots of cheese. Yesterday you talked to me, do you remember? But this is too much cheese for me. This is too big. Yeah, I need a smaller one. I need something like that.
Taste first.
This is good for me.
5 more.
Nice, I can try.
1 year.
What is your name?
Pasang.
Nice to meet you. The first one I like more.
First.
Yeah, you gave me 2 pieces and the first one
Taste.
I like it more.
5 months. 1 year. Which one?
5 months.
How many?
Like this is good. How many cheese do you sell per day? Lots of cheese?
Not all.
Not many people here at the moment.
But now
Not good.
4 kg, 5 kg. October.
But now you have sold a little bit more cheese to me. How much is it?
400. 400.
400.
I keep ready.
Yeah. Now it starts. You're the funniest cheese seller I ever seen.
Yeah. Yeah, wow.
For you.
Thank you. Okay.
Wow, I get more cheese.
Yes.
So nice. Which one is this one? Is it 1 year or
5 months.
5 months? Like this one. And this one also.
Okay. Thank you. Good.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for selling me the cheese.
Have a good day.
Bye bye. Good luck.
Where is from?
Germany.
Germany.
And you, are you from this village?
Yes.
And do you stay only in season time or like when there's the rain season, like June?
We sometimes go Kathmandu, Pokhara, trekking.
But you're only producing the cheese. This is your job.
Every day stay in Kyanjin Gompa. Same like crazy.
But it's nice. Do you like more to stay in the mountains or do you like more living in a big city? What is better for you?
Both.
Both? Okay. And in winter time, where do you stay? Here? Okay.
Kyanjin Gompa.
Okay. It's a nice place. Have a good day. Yeah, it's always good to buy some stuff from the locals. Some good cheese, why not?